Hello there. My name is Dragos and I would like to share my story with you. And I promise I wasn't inspired by Home Alone. So, when I was 17, I really loved to ride my bike. Everywhere, every day, anytime. My parents decided they would go on a holiday. They told me, be careful until we came back. One night, my friend called me and he was like, hey buddy, would you like to ride our bikes? And we took our bikes and started counting all the parking spots. We were looking for the number one spot, and we finally found it. Oh, great! Now we should celebrate. Let's eat shawarma. And we actually got a free shawarma. Great! Now we should go on seafronts with the bikes. He dared me to do a wheelie. It was very dark outside, and when I was with one wheel in the air, I fell and broke two of my teeth. And when I called my mother to tell her what I did, I realized I should have listened her.